This is the part number CQT 24959, and that's from Sequent. This is what the hitch looks like, and this is what the vehicle looks like. This is the back. So it's 2 bolts on each side. The last one down here, and this one, and this guy right here, and that one right here. Right here. Don't even need to drop the bumper. I used this over here to open up the access hole, so I could put this screw through. It's a drop bolt. And this is how this thing goes up. It says you have to drop the exhaust, but I'm not going to. It's not really in my way. There we go. I fished these guys through. Fish wire. And these guys are already ready. So I'm going to put it up and show you what it looks like after. This is what it looks like done. 1 1/4. This is not a 2-inch. It's pretty small. 1 1/4. That's the weight distribution. So this is it. How the hitch goes up. You don't want to forget this guy, because they give you 3. So the far bolt right here, you have to put it in between the frame and the hitch, because the access hole down, it's kind of inside. It's not flush with the rest of the frame. The whole frame is flush till you get here, it goes in. So this basically makes up for that. And I'll show you. You basically, there is a perfect example. This is how it's you put it in. You guys might not be able to see it, but yeah, you might not be able to see it, but it's up there in between here, and the 2 others is in the frame.